Every day, this factory receives enough wool to create thousands of pieces of clothing. But that's only the beginning of the story.
At first glance, it looks valuable. Yet a surprising amount of this wool will never reach a store. Before processing can begin, every batch must pass through systems designed to uncover hidden problems. Some contaminants are easy to see. Others are almost invisible. That's why every batch passes through technology capable of detecting problems humans might miss. But contamination isn't the only reason wool can be rejected. And what they discover here will determine the fate of millions of pounds of wool.
The difference is almost invisible, yet it completely changes the value of the final product.
This machine makes thousands of grading decisions every hour. But what happens next is even more important.
A surprising amount of material disappears during cleaning. But where does it all go?
Factories don't simply throw everything away. Some byproducts are valuable enough to recover and reuse.
What happens behind the scenes often costs millions of dollars to operate each year.
Too much moisture can ruin production. Too little can damage the fibers themselves. Now another challenge begins. Too much moisture can ruin the next stage completely.
Thousands of sensors work together here. But even advanced technology isn't always enough.
A small environmental change can affect tons of material before anyone notices.
This is where wool begins its transformation into something completely different. Millions of fibers enter this machine in complete disorder. Moments later, they emerge organized with astonishing precision.
Most people never realize these cylinders are responsible for the quality of everything that follows. Some of these machines operate continuously for years with only brief maintenance windows.
The fibers now look organized, but they are still too weak to become fabric. This stage quietly determines the strength of every future garment. The material is finally ready for one of the most fascinating stages in the factory.
This is where loose wool fibers finally begin transforming into continuous yarn. But the speed of these machines is almost impossible to imagine. Each machine performs thousands of precise movements every minute. Yet a single broken strand can disrupt the entire process. What looks simple is actually a carefully controlled balance of tension speed and fiber alignment. A single broken strand may seem insignificant, yet it can affect thousands of meters of material before it's discovered. Every cone contains thousands of meters of yarn, and this factory produces more than most people could use in a lifetime.
The yarn is finished, but it still looks nothing like the clothing people eventually buy. Now thousands of individual threads must work together with perfect precision.
One machine can control thousands of threads at the same time. Keeping them synchronized is one of the factory's greatest challenges. The pattern forms so quickly that most people never notice the complexity hidden behind it.
For the first time, the material finally begins to resemble something familiar. Before this fabric can move forward, it must survive another critical test. Some flaws are so small they would be impossible to see without technology.
This machine inspects more fabric in an hour than a human could inspect in weeks.
Finding a flaw is only the beginning. Deciding what happens next is often the difficult part.
This department contains one of the factory's most closely guarded processes. This stage can completely change how the final garment feels.
Some of the equipment in this department costs more than luxury homes.
Temperature, humidity, and timing must work together with remarkable precision. The difference is remarkable. Yet the material still has one final transformation ahead. Behind these doors, the material will finally begin its transformation into finished clothing. The wool has become fabric. Now it must become clothing. One mistake here can waste thousands of dollars in material within seconds. These machines cut through multiple layers at once while maintaining millimeter-level precision. Every cut must be accurate, because mistakes become more expensive with every step that follows. At this stage, the factory begins to resemble a giant puzzle with millions of pieces. Thousands of pieces move through this system every hour. Yet every piece must arrive at exactly the right destination.
Now the separate pieces must come together. And this is where production becomes truly fascinating.
Some operators complete tasks in seconds that once required hours of manual labor.
Automation helps increase speed. But surprisingly, some tasks still depend on human skill.
A garment is only as strong as its weakest seam. That's why quality checks never stop.
For the first time, the final product begins to look familiar.
Appearance matters. And this department controls how every garment will look.
This stage influences how every garment will look when customers first see it. Some of the machinery here operates with tolerances measured in fractions of a second.
But before these products can leave the factory, they face one final challenge.
Even after months of processing, some garments still won't pass the final test.
Technology now helps inspectors detect problems that might otherwise go unnoticed.
Maintaining quality is expensive, but poor quality costs far more. After an extraordinary journey, the products are finally ready to leave the factory.
But reaching customers requires another operation, almost as complex as manufacturing itself. Making the clothing was difficult. Delivering it to customers around the world is another challenge entirely. Every item must be prepared perfectly before shipment begins. Thousands of products pass through this department every hour without slowing down. Automation helps keep pace with global demand that never stops growing.
Every carton receives a digital identity that can be tracked across continents.
From this room, managers can follow products traveling around the world in real time. The scale of storage here is difficult to appreciate until you see it from above.
Millions of dollars worth of inventory may be stored here at any given moment. It takes far more than machinery to keep an operation of this size running smoothly.
And now, the products begin the final stage of their journey.
Some of these shipments will travel farther than most people ever do.
Within days, products from this factory may appear thousands of miles away. The factory's work is complete. The supply chain is only beginning. Every shipment depends on a complex network working behind the scenes.
The closer products get to customers, the more precise logistics become. Most people never imagine how many steps were required to create what they see here.
What began as raw wool has become a finished product, ready to be worn around the world.
What you've seen is one of the largest industrial transformations happening every day across the world. Behind every garment stands an operation far larger than most people realize. Thousands of workers, engineers, technicians, and operators contribute to a process that never truly stops. Every stage depends on the stage before it. A single disruption can affect the entire chain. Few materials undergo such a dramatic transformation before reaching consumers. Even at the final stage, quality remains one of the factory's highest priorities. What now appears simple and familiar began as a raw natural material collected months earlier.
Every day, thousands of finished products begin journeys across countries and continents.
From raw wool to finished clothing, every step depends on technology and human expertise working together. And this is how millions of pounds of sheep wool are transformed into clothing through one of the most remarkable manufacturing processes in the modern world.